Hi, welcome grade 6. Today we will discuss Unit 3 Lesson 4, the volume of the cuboid. We remember that the cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Each face is a rectangle. Each two opposite faces are equal in the properties of the cuboid. The shape shows us the cuboid, and we see the face, and F is called vertex. F and E and D and G is called a vertex. It has 6 faces. All of these are rectangles. The top and the bottom rectangles are bases, and the other 4 rectangles are the lateral faces. We can call GDCB is called a lateral face. Any two opposite faces are congruent, equal in area. We can see the edge. The line segment where two adjacent faces intersect are the edges. The volume of the cuboid. You can see on the shape, length, and the height, and the width. The rule that we can find of the volume of the cuboid equal length times width times the height. We can simple length to L and the width to W and the height to H. So the product of 3 dimensions equal the volume of the cuboid. Since we know the base area is a rectangle, so the base area equal length times width. Then the volume of cuboid equal base area times height. So we can simple base area to B dot A, base area times height, we simple height H. We deduce that number 1, L volume equal length times width times the height. Number 2, L length equal volume over L width times L height. Number 3, L width equal L volume over length times height. Number 4, height equal volume over width times length. We can find another 5, volume equal base area times height. And number 6, base area equal volume over height. Number 7, height equal volume over base area. Example number 1. The dimension of a cuboid are 4 cm, 3 cm, and 8 cm. Find its volume. We can see on the shape, length is 4 cm, and the width is 3 cm, and the 8 cm is called height. So from the rule, volume of cuboid equal length times width times height. So 4 times 3 times 8 equal 96 cubic centimeter. Example number 2. A swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid. Its base is of length 60 meter and width is 40 meter. Find its depth is 3600 cubic meter of water fills this swimming pool completely. We have length 60 meter and width 40 meter, and we have the volume 3600 cubic meter. So from the rule, depth equal height, so volume over length times width equal 3600 over 60 times 40 equal 1.5 meter. Example number 3. The volume of cuboid is 720 cubic centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. Find the base area. We have here the volume, so we can find base area. So the base area equal volume over the height. So 720 over 9 equal 80 centimeter square. Example number 4. A box is in the shape of a cuboid of dimensions 30 centimeter, 21 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. If it's filled with cuboid shaped pieces of sweets of dimensions 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 2 centimeter, find the number of pieces of sweets. Solution. The volume of the box, we have 3 dimensions, length and width and height. So from the rule, length times width times height equal 30 times 21 times 6. The product is 378 cubic centimeters. We can get the volume of the piece of the sweet. We have 3 dimensions, length and width and height. So from the rule, length times width times the height equal 5 times 3 times 2 equal 30 cubic centimeters. So from 1 and 2 we can find the number of pieces. So volume 1 over volume 2, 378 over 30 equal 126 pieces. Example number 5. Which is greater in volume? A cuboid of dimensions 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 8 centimeter, or a cuboid of base area 3 centimeter square and its height is 12 centimeter. We have two volume. So the first volume of cuboid equal length times width times the height, because we have 3 dimensions, length and width and the height. So 7 times 6 times 8, the product is 336 cubic centimeter. The second volume, we have base area and the height. So from the rule, the volume of the second cuboid equal base area times the height. So 30 times 12 equal 360 cubic centimeter. Which is greater in volume? From 1 and 2 we can get which is greater. So volume 1 more than volume 2. Volume 1 is greater than volume 2. Thank you with my best wishes.